Hello everyone and welcome to the INFINOX Market Insights with me, Richard Perry, analysing markets for INFINOX on Wednesday the 24th of February. Okay, so what are we going to learn in today's video? Well, we're going to learn that, first of all, Jerome Powell, the Federal Reserve Chairman, still has the ability to move markets. We're also going to learn that the dollar bulls, or traders who are still positive on the dollar, are still not yet ready to give in. Finally, don't forget to watch out for our key support and resistance levels table of major markets at the end of the video. Okay, so in terms of the market insights today, we're going to look at euro dollar, which has pulled back from a key level of resistance. We're going to also look at sterling dollar, which continues to run strongly higher, but is it overbought? And also we're going to look at the potential selling opportunity that we could have on gold. So let's have a look at those charts. Okay, so moving on to our MT4 charts. Now, I'm going to take a very quick look at the dollar index because the dollar had an important day yesterday. Well, we had Federal Reserve Jerome Powell, who had his congressional testimony, and he said that inflation wasn't yet so much of a problem and it still remained soft. So that helped to support the dollar, and we can see that the dollar picked up from this key support area around 90 big figure on dollar index. And that, I'm going to show you, is a key factor that has held back euro dollar in a rally. Now, the dollar index, remember that chart because I'm going to show you now euro dollar. It effectively is the opposite chart. A little bit more zoomed in, but you can see that euro dollar has picked up towards this level of resistance at 121.90 as euro has strengthened against the dollar in the last few sessions. Yesterday it fell back again from this 121.90 level of resistance, but it continues to test it again as the market has picked back up again today after a little bit of dollar strengthening overnight. So, and that comes with positive momentum starting to build on the relative strength index, the RSI. That is now decisively above 50 at multi-week highs, actually the highest it's been pretty much all year, and is trying to now get towards the 60 level. It's currently at 56, you can see here. So can euro dollar continue to pick up? If it does get above the 60 level, I think that that means that 21.90, this level of resistance here on euro dollar, will be broken, and that would be dollar weakening, euro strengthening and gaining ground. And we can see that the market is trading now back above the moving averages, which is positive on a near-term basis, and looking to test that resistance. Looking at our next chart, cable, we can see that cable has actually broken out. Sterling dollar has broken through this uptrend channel and it's now increasingly strong. Look at this momentum. The RSI is way above 70. It's actually at 78, which is the highest it's been since, well, back in July last year. And this is a really key breakout because if I go and zoom out a little bit, you can see that it's actually running along this uptrend channel that you could argue dates back to February last year, over 12 months. So it's a strong breakout, and the question is it going to continue to run higher? I believe that cable is in a situation where it is in a strong uptrend, and a strong uptrend means that it can continue to run higher. However, within that, you'd be saying that cable needs to be watched, because if you stay too long too far, then you could start to see profit taking quite quickly coming in with this market so overbought on the RSI. So this is a market that we need to be careful of, I think, on a near-term basis. So you'd be looking out for your hourly charts, any reversal signals that we could be seeing there. Nothing yet decisive, but we need to watch out for potential signals, maybe the RSI on the hourly chart, the relative strength index, falling below that 50 line. And finally, we're going to look at the gold chart today. Now, gold is another interesting one because gold has been really underperforming throughout 2021. And again, it's rallied back to this downtrend line. So is this another selling opportunity on gold? We'll zoom in and we can see that every time it pretty much rallies for 2 or 3 sessions, it starts to roll over again. It's done that repeatedly this year. 2 or 3 sessions of rally and then it rolls over. So Is this another selling opportunity? I think it's certainly you'd be looking out for yesterday's high, which was 1816. That is a key level of resistance on a near-term basis now. You've also got the moving average, which is the 21-day moving average, currently at 1819, so maybe giving a little bit of room above that in terms of a stop-loss level. However, it certainly looks as though that this is an unwinding market into a resistance to sell off. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found it interesting and informative. If you did like the content, we'll be having another INFINOX Market Insights video for you on Friday. Also, don't forget to check out the website, www.infinox.co.uk. I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you all soon.